Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for your time. Thank you for joining today's meetup. That's going to be about Excel um, competitions. So, once again, today's session is titled Inside Excel Competitions Case Walkthrough, and we'll dive into how real competition problems are approached and solved step by step. This session is part of our Power BI meetup on April 15th, 2026, where we aim to innovate, educate, and inspire our data community. This session is designed for anyone who wants to improve their Excel and analytical skills. Whether you are preparing for competitions or just want to become better at solving real world problems, this session will give you practical insights. You'll see how top performers think, structure their solutions, and approach complex tasks step by step. Let me introduce our speaker, Aurelio Zafindaza. Aurelio is a passionate financial modeling and Excel sports enthusiast. He's known for his strong analytical mindset and problem solving abilities. He actively participates in Excel competitions and applies advanced modeling techniques to solve real business scenarios. He's also committed to continuous learning and sharing knowledge with the global data community. We also have exciting upcoming speakers in our meetup series. Bernard Aguilo Rosello, Alexandra Zakharova, Amit Chandak, and stay connected with our community to join these future sessions and continue learning from global experts. Before we proceed, a few quick reminders. Please follow up with us through our meetup group. We'll have a dedicated Q&A session at the end, and the session is subject to recording and sharing. We appreciate your engagement and participation. Here is the agenda for today. Introduction, roughly 5 minutes that I'm doing right now. Then we'll have presentation by Aurelio, and at the end we'll have Q&A session. I'll be hosting the session, and Aurelio will lead the main presentation. Make sure to save your questions for the Q&A part. Once again, stay connected with our community through our meetup group. We regularly organize sessions, competitions, and learning events. If you want to grow in Excel, Power BI, and data analytics, this is the right place for you. And also, you can find my address to reach out or collaborate. And you can see my email address there, like zarbali@excelworld.org. And now, without further ado, let's move to the main part of the session. And please welcome Aurelio Zafindaza, who will walk us through a real Excel competition case. Aurelio, the stage is yours. I'm going to stop sharing and you can share your screen and go on. By the way, we see you, which is very
Okay,
good.
okay.
Go
So,
on, please. Thank you.
okay, thank you. So today, thank you, Ilgar. I'm going to share my screen to show you how to resolve a real problem case in Excel Sport. I'm glad that you give me this case. It's my favorite one, Beer Island. So let's take a view about the case from the instruction. Berland is a map case, a visual case of FMWC or MUWC competition, Microsoft Excel World Championship. It's a case from 20 and 23. About the case, we have to resolve some problem because we have a map. This is the map, and we have a map with some land. In this land, we have a beer, three type of beer: koala, panda, and black beer. But this is not the problem. Our mission is to solve our product from the basket name. We have a price and we have an ingredient. So let's take a look about the case. We have five level from the level 1 to level 5, and we have some bonus question, free bonus question. So let's resolve the case from the level 1 to the level 5, and after resolve the bonus question. So for the level 1, how much revenue will the following sales make? So we have our item and all cost, and we have the price. So here we have Hungry Basket with free wine added, free quantity. When we look at the basket name, we can see that the price is 160, but the problem is that we must add 40 with it because we have wine in the addition. So for doing that, we must modelize our data. So let's modelize our data. Uh, We'll take this, we'll copy it, and we'll paste it here. So I paste it here, and I can see that we have the basket name, and I'll add the the when I did. So this, okay, and here I'll take the word the, with when it. So I have my new item, and for the price I will add 40. This is the price of the wine, and in the include we must include wine because here we don't have the item wine. So for doing this, uh, I'll take this, and I will add the word wine. So I have a new include, and can track down it, and I will add the cost because later I will need it. So cost for the cost we have strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, and I can here I can see that the price of the cost of the blueberry is 7, and for the strawberry I have. I have 6, so I must do some addition from this cost to the new cost. So for doing this, I'll use a filter function. I'll filter the price, the cost, initial cost. I'll lock it, and I use regex. I use regex test, and I'll take it, I had it as delimiter, and after that I use it for this. I lock it as delimiter, and I have all the item cost, and I'll do some calculation here, the sum of this all item. So I have uh, I have 17. So I'll copy it, and I'll paste it for the whole thing. I have some problem because here we can see that you offer the following basket for sale. Take note that all basket include the basket itself, the picnic blanket, and paper plate, and all things. So uh, I'll copy all item that I need here. Copy it, copy it, and I'll paste it here. So for this, I have this and a use filter of the cost using regex test of this element to this. Sorry, I must do the sum, and for this I use case insensitivity match. So I have here I got the total cost. I'll drag it down, and now I can calculate. I can resolve my level one. So here we merge cherche the total revenue. So I use XLOOKUP of the basket in the item basket name, the price, and I multiply it by the quantity, and I have the total revenue. I paste it here, and I drag the result down. So I have the I've resolved the level one, and now I can attack to the level two. So for this, we search the profit. So I just copy this result here, and I copy this formula, I paste it here, paste it the formula, and I just modify the return array to the cost, the total cost, and I log the result, and just I'll do the difference between the values, copy it, I paste it here, and so I have the profit, the total profit. It's the total profit, and I drag my response for the all question. So let's attack the level 3. We do some deal with the beer, and for doing that, we give some compensation to the beer. For example, for the koala, we must give some eucalyptus for the koala, and here we have the cost of the eucalyptus is 12. So I'll do some X lookup of the treat, the eucalyptus in item, and I have the cost of treat. So I can drag my result down. So here I need to just copy my revenue, paste the result here, and here I have some problem. Take this, put it here, here, and I have this. No, so let's look up to the beer. the beer, to the treat, multiply the result by the quantity, and do some subtraction between the value and I have my result. So I can copy it here and I have all the result and I can just take my result and put it here. Now resolve the we can resolve the river 4. We must do some copy of the map, copy of the map, and here we can see that all beer have a range direction. For example, for the koala it's 1, for the panda it's 2, and for the black bear it's 2. And we have the example here. So I'll copy the icon, I'll paste the result here. Oops, I take it, I'll paste the result here, paste the result here. This I take it and I'll paste the result here. I copy this, put it here, this here, this here. So I can take this, the range of 2, there, okay. Now I just need to use indirect function to resolve the level 4. So here I use indirect of the map 2, and L5 let the koala be, paste my result here, and I drag it down. So here I just need to do some XLOOKUP of this. some subtraction between the result and I can copy it. But here I have some problem because here I can it's not a beer. So for this case there are no reimbursement. So it's just zero. It's just zero. This is zero. Okay, so here I copy it. I drag it down and but okay. The problem is that if wait, if if this is zero, give me the x lookup of this. I take this and uh, I need the 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 cost of the thing and the unit cost it's false. So if it's false, give me zero. The difference between the result and I copy it, paste it, and I get my result. So let's do a quick check between this. Oh no, it's AP 42. It is wrong with this. What's wrong with this? Ah, I understand. So sorry. I copy it. I paste my this and normally I get my result. So now I have all thing okay. So now let's resolve the level 5. It's the most difficult levels because it's require that you escape the map. This is the extraction map, the extraction point E27, and for example here we have L 13 and from the L 13 to the E27 and you must escape from the beer because we have some problem with them and I just copy the map 2. I copy the map 2. I delete all the value here. I delete all the value in the map 2 and for the E27 I put 0. So here I had one row. Here I had one column, and here I just mean of this, 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 and this, this, and this plus one. So here I'll do some picture. selection, and I'll take the blank, and I'll paste my formula. Paste my formula. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes,
Ilgar, can you see my screen? I have some problem.
yes. I see your screen, but it's stuck.
Yes, I'm stuck with the formula because it's so easy. I think that I'll restart this. I will restart this because I understand. I've got some circular reference. I've got some circular reference in the file, so that is the problem. That was the problem. So I'll restart it. I'll restart it and
Okay.
yes. Wait, I'm stuck. I've got some problem with my computer. So sorry.
Okay. Yes. So, uh,
Okay,
will you be able to solve this or not?
I'm able to solve this, but uh, I wait some minute. Give me some minute,
Okay.
please.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Please
Uh,
take your time, please.
I'll reshare my screen. Yes. Okay. Okay. It's so heavy because I've got many circular reference for doing the map. That was my problem.
Okay. Got it.
Can you see my screen? Do you see my screen?
Yes, you started sharing your screen. Now it's okay.
Yes.
I hope. Yeah, I see
Yes, it's
now.
okay.
Yes.
Yes, and I'll just explain the result. Uh, Before, I just calculated the minimum between the diagonal, between the horizontal, between the top and the left and the right, just plus one, as you see on my screen. I'll drag it in the whole map, and I just want to notice that we must fix the circular reference because it's can cause a big problem in the Excel sheet. And after, I just copy my result in the last sheet, and I'll do just some indirect function. As you see here, I just do some indirect function here, and I got all my result. And for the the bonuses question, we just need, for example, here it's asked to calculate the total number of the animal in the map. Here we can see that we have one koala, one black panda, and white panda. Just I copy the icon, all icon, and I just use contif, and I do the sum, and I have the final result. For the bonus two, it asks me to give the game number of the smallest amount of gross margin. Just I use XLOOKUP, the minimum value of the gross margin or profit, and the game number. Here, here I get the game number, and here it asks me to have the longest time or distance from the extraction to any point of the map. I just use the max function in my last input, last output. So I have the all bonus response. I think that that's all. Ho that this is the way that we resolve a real problem in Excel Sports case. So I'm free to respond to your question.
Okay. Thank you very much, Aurelio. I highly
Okay.
appreciate your effort, your time. It's very good. So, if there is any question, please ask your question. And by the way, this recording will be also available on my YouTube channel, so you can rewatch the solution of the real case that can be found in Excel competition. I hope at least one or two times. I will be organizing these kind of meetups, so it would be better to become or subscribe to my meetup group, where you will be able to get the necessary info about the upcoming, say, coming sessions. So now this is what I just wanted to share with you. So once again, thank you very much, Aurelio. Thank you for your time. So here, I hope there is no question. So I hope we can end our conversation. I mean, meetup here. Um, so that's it for today. Okay. Thank you, everybody.